Analysis of Undermind, TV series, in light of the current climate of our new normal. Currently watching the little-known, British TV series, titled Undermind. The Undermined, a play on words, based on the notion of an undermined society, are a network of brainwashed, intelligence operatives. Throughout the series it is revealed through the use of electroencephalography, that these agents have been indoctrinated by some kind of technological means, transmitted through an influenza virus, a mutant strain of Asian flu that affects the hearing, making them susceptible to the high-frequency signals that wipe all of their emotional responses, creating psychopathic servants of the network. In one of the first encounters, one of these agents states that they are all part of the pattern. See John C Lilly's work on wiping and repatterining, programming and metaprogramming in the Human Biocomputer. In another encounter, there is an exchange in which the lead character accuses them of having a mind disease, to which the agent responds, "This is not a mind disease, this is a new dimension." Each episode deals with a different situation, in which these agents are the hidden hand, steering supposedly naturally emergent phenomena, such as the artificially created divisions in youth subculture, featuring the engineered gang warfare between the mods and the rockers of mid-60s Britain, the poisoning of the food supply, the use of prostitution rings for the purposes of compromising politicians, the influencing of the stock market, utilizing bogus astrologers, the subversion of the academic institutions, the use of music as a subliminally corrupting influence, and predicting the Irish Troubles, 3 years before they resumed from 68-98. This series concludes with the possibility that as a result of the supposed alien threat, the entire population may be forced to undergo mandatory surgery to prevent the virus from affecting the ear and thus blocking the high-frequency signals.